Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to delete DSers account. So guys, this is basically easy. You can do just go to help center and the DSers, and after that guys click on contacts by email and click this option, and after that guys you will redirect to this email, and this is email support guys. You can write your subject here guys, deleting account, as you can see here, and right here guys the reason you want to delete your account. And for example, I don't need this account any yet, and explain you the reason you want to delete your account or close your account here on the subject. And make sure guys disconnect any application with your DSers, and after that guys submitting email here, click just on send. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon.